my channel, welcome. I'm Mad Chen and I'm a digital illustrator. I create Procreate tutorials for beginners. In today's Procreate tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use layer mask in Procreate. So I'm going to use this yellow circle to demonstrate what layer mask can do. So first we need to come up here to layers and we're going to click on the yellow circle here, which will bring up a menu, and we're going to choose layer mask. Choosing layer mask will automatically open up a mask layer above our yellow circle. Layer mask only allows you to work within black to white tones. So I'm going to show you what happens when we use black first. So you can see that when we use black, it looks like that part of our circle has been deleted, but in actual fact, the yellow that you can't see is just hidden by the black. Now I'm going to show you what happens when we use gray. Choosing different shades of gray gives you different percentages of opacity above your image. I'm just going to demonstrate with a bit of gray right now. You can see that our yellow is still somewhat visible. So next, I'm going to show you an example using white. And you can see that I brought parts of the yellow circle back using the color white. What's interesting about layer mask is that it doesn't affect your base project. So if we come back here to layers, you can see that the yellow circle underneath remains untouched. So when I untoggle the mask layer, the full yellow circle is still there. Thanks for watching, guys. Please support this channel by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to Mad Chen. If you have any questions, comments, or problems with Procreate, please leave comments down below because I want to be supportive and help you guys get better at using Procreate and also get better at your artwork. You can also check out my other Procreate tutorials, which I will leave links up above and also in the description below. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next Procreate tutorial.